Well, hey everyone, it's Lynnea, and today I'm doing an unboxing video for the Flavor of the Month card kit from Scrapping for Less, and it's for December 2018. And these are the sketches. You can find them in the Facebook group, and I just printed them out. So the papers, we have some grapesicle, grape jelly, packing chip craft, pure white, snow cone, and bubblegum pink. And then there's 2 sheets of Nina 110-pound smooth white solar crest cardstock. So a lot of cardstock in this kit. Now we're going to take a look at collection number 1. So to start, there is some purple organza ribbon. And there's quite a bit of ribbon here, enough to make a couple of cards, I think. Some sequins by Button Galore. And I just love the purples that are all throughout this kit. I think it's super pretty. We have the Bear Hug stamp set by Sunny Studio, just a cute little polar bear. And then there's some polar bear decoupage paper by Craft Consortium. And this is kind of like tissue paper. It's just a cute little thing that's in this kit. It's super awesome. An envelope. And then there is the Winter Skies paper by Scrapping for Less. And these are double-sided, so I'll just flip them around to show you the opposite side. And I'm sorry, I don't know why my camera is doing this discoloration thing. I apologize for that. And then an extra embellishment. We have this 2 sheets of 6x6 paper, and it's from Alexandra Ranke. I hope I said that right. So this is all the December collection number 1. Let's move on to collection 2. There are some sequins by Buttons Galore again, and these ones are like clear iridescent. The stamp is from Stamping Bella, and it's penguin with a mug. And this is a rubber stamp, so it's super cute. I just love the marshmallows in that little cup. We have this cocoa mug shaker and card. This shaker thing fits right into the card, and there is already some adhesive on the back, so it's perfect for making a shaker card. Of course, there's an envelope, and somehow I got an extra one. I must have mixed that in from my stash. The papers are called Chill by Scrapping for Less. I love these shades of gray, these big snowflakes here. I just love them. And again, these are double-sided. And so that is everything from the December card kit. This is collection 2. For collection 3, there's some more sequins, also by Buttons Galore. These ones have little snowflakes in them. There's some white in there. It's really cute. This stamp set, I am in love with this polar bear and this little fishy. This is the Winter Pal stamp set by Pink and Main, and it's exclusive for Scrapping for Less. There's some blue rhinestones, this adorable snowflake die. I'm obsessed with snowflakes, and I love this little die. It's just perfect. And then the envelope, and you get a selection of papers from the Frosty Paper Pack by Pink and Main. I love the scallops. I love the stripes. Diagonal stripes on pattern papers are my weakness. I love them. And then these papers are also double-sided, so here's just the back of the patterns. And that is collection 3 for this card kit. Okay, so moving on to collection 4, there is this string of snowflake garland by Doris. And I'm going to lay it down here. It's got to be like 14 inches or so. There you get a good length of this garland. And then there's these little snowflake by Jolie. They're little stickers, and they have a gem in the middle. I love them. I told you already, I love snowflakes. So this card kit is just perfect. There are some sequins by Scrapping for Less. I love the blues with the white. And the stamp set here is Arctic Animals by LDRS. And of course you get your envelope. And then Arctic Snowfall Papers by LRDS. And look I love those little feathers and the little owls. These papers, all the papers in this month's kit are just so fabulous. I love them. Those snowflakes are gorgeous. All right, so now I'm going to show you what comes if you get the banana split, like the upgraded level kit. All of these 4 collections are what you're going to get for the double dip sundae, but here is what you'll get if you do the banana split level. You get a glitter pen, and there will be various colors. Mine is purple, and all you have to do is just kind of push it down on your work surface to get it started. The stamp set is Arctic Sentiment by Scrapping for Less. Look at this little adorable penguin die, and this is by Yvonne Creations. I can't wait to die cut this little penguin. And then a winter tree stencil by Kaiser Craft. I just love all of these little things that are in the banana split level sundae. It's definitely worth the upgrade. And now all of the kits come packed in boxes, so you won't have to have bent cardstock or anything anymore. So here is everything that came in my box, and I'm just packing it away just so you can see it all together. And that's it for the December 2018 card kit. Bye!